Word problems from linear equations. 5 years hence, the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. 5 years ago, Jacob's age was 7 times that of his son. What are their present ages? So what you have to find should be taken as x and y. You have to find the present age of Jacob and his son. So let the present age of Jacob be x years and the present age of his son be y years. Now here it is given 5 years hence. 5 years hence means after 5 years. So age of Jacob 5 years hence is equal to x plus 5. That is after 5 years he will be x plus 5 years. And age of his son 5 years hence is equal to son's age now is y. So after 5 years it will be y plus 5. Now what is given here? What is the first condition? 5 years hence the age of Jacob will be 3 times that of his son. So 5 years hence age of Jacob is x plus 5. It will be 3 times. 3 times means 3 into that of his son. Age of his son is y plus 5. Now you have to expand this. That is x plus 5 equal to 3 into y, 3y plus 3 5s are 15. Now bring this 3y to the left side. X minus 3y equal to 15 is on the right side. Take this plus 5 that side, it becomes minus 5. Therefore x minus 3y equal to 10. So you have got one linear equation. Mark it as equation 1. Now go to the next condition. 5 years ago. So that is before 5 years. Now the present age of Jacob is x years. Therefore age of Jacob 5 years ago is equal to x minus 5. And age of his son 5 years ago will be present age of son is y. So 5 years ago it will be y minus 5. Now here it is given 5 years ago Jacob's age was, so Jacob's age is x minus 5. It was 7 times means 7 into that of his son, y minus 5. Now you have to expand this. So x minus 5 is equal to 7 into y, 7y minus 7 5s are 35. Rearrange it, bring y term to the left side, x, bring 7y to the left side, it becomes minus 7y equal to minus 35 is on the right side. Bring minus 5 to the right side, it becomes plus 5. So x minus 7y is equal to minus 35 plus 5 is minus 30. Now this is the second equation. Now you have to solve these two linear equations and get the value of x and y. So I am going to write both the equations one below the other. First equation is x minus 3y equal to 10. Second equation is x minus 7y equal to minus 30. Now see the coefficients here. The coefficients of x are equal and they are of same sign. So when the equal coefficients are of same sign, you will subtract both the equations. Subtract. So you have to change the sign here. This becomes minus. This minus becomes plus. This minus becomes plus. Now you know that x and minus x get cancelled. Now minus 3y plus 7y. So 7y minus 3y is 4y. One is positive, one is negative. Find the difference, put the sign of the greater number. Next, 10 plus 30. 10 plus 30 is 40. Therefore, y equal to 40 divided by 4. can cancel. What is 40 divided by 4? 40 by 4 is 10. Now, you have to find the value of x. For that, first you will write the first, any one of the equations you can take. I am taking the first equation. First equation is x minus 3y equal to 10. That is x minus, you will substitute the value of y, the 3 into 10. 3y is 3 into y. 3 into 10 equal to 10. That is x minus 3 tens are 30 equal to 10, or x equal to 10. Bring this minus 30 to the other side. It becomes plus 30. Therefore, x is equal to 10 plus 30 is 40. So, you have got the value of x and y. So, what is x? X is the present age of Jacob. Therefore, present age of Jacob is equal to x equal to 40 years, and present age of his son equal to y is 10 years. Next is, a fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added to both numerator and denominator. If 3 is added to both numerator and the denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. Find the fraction. So what you have to find? You have to find the fraction. So let the fraction be x by y. Here x is the numerator and y is the denominator. Now what is given here? A fraction becomes 9 by 11. So here the numerator is x, and denominator is y. Now x by y is the fraction. In that, if 2 is added to both numerator and denominator, it becomes 9 by 11. This fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added to both numerator and denominator. Now you have to cross multiply this. That is 11 into x plus 2 is equal to 9 into y plus 2. Expand this, that is 11x plus 11 2s are 22 equal to 9y plus 9 2s are 18. Now rearrange it, bring y term to the left side. So 11x, bring 9y to the left side, it becomes minus 9y equal to 18 is on the right side, plus 22 taken to the other side becomes minus 22. Therefore, 11x minus 9y equal to 18 minus 22 is, difference between 18 and 22 is 4. Put the sign of the greater number. So this is the first equation. Now see the second condition. If 3 is added to both the numerator and denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. So the fraction is x by y. It becomes 5 by 6 if 3 is added to both numerator and denominator. Now here again you will cross multiply it. That is 6 into x plus 3 equal to 5 into y plus 3. 6 into x, 6x plus 6 3s are 18 equal to 5 into y, 5y plus 5 3s are 15. Now rearrange it, bring y term to the left side. So 6x, bring 5y to the left side, it becomes minus 5y equal to 15 is on the right side. Take 18 to the other side, it becomes minus 18. That is 6x minus 5y, 15 minus 18. Difference between 18 and 15 is 3, and put the sign of the greater number, and this is equation 2. Now you have to solve these equations. Now to solve these equations, write one below the other. First equation is 11x plus minus 9y equal to minus 4. Second equation is 6x minus 5y equal to minus 3. See here, the coefficients of x are not equal. Coefficients of y also, they are not equal. So what you have to do is, to make the coefficients of equal, we can multiply the first equation with 6 and the second equation with 11 so that the coefficients of x will be equal. Or you can multiply the first equation with 5 and second equation with 9 so that the coefficient of y will be equal. Anyway, so here I am going to multiply the first equation with 6. First equation with 6 and the second equation I am going to multiply with 11. So 11x into 6. So I am going to underline this. Next two new equations are 66x. 11x into 6, 66x minus 9y into 6, 54y equal to minus 4 into 6 is minus 24. Next is 6x into 11, it is 66x minus 5y into 11 minus 55y equal to minus 3 into 11 is minus 33. Now you can see that the coefficients of x are equal and they are of same sign. So you have to subtract it. So to subtract, change the sign. This becomes minus, this minus becomes plus, this minus becomes plus. Now here 66x minus 66x get cancelled. Now minus 54y plus 55y, that is 55 minus 54 is 1. 1 into y is y is equal to here minus 24 plus 33, that is 33 minus 24, it is 9. So you have got the value of y. So what is the value of y? Therefore y equal to 9. You have got the value of y equal to 9. Now you have to get the value of x. To get the value of x, write the first equation. Now what is the first equation here? 11x minus 9y is equal to minus 4. 11x minus 9y equal to minus 4. You can substitute the value of y, that is 11x minus 9 into y is 9 is equal to minus 4. 11x minus 9 9s are 81 equal to minus 4. 11x is equal to minus 4 is on the right side. Take minus 81 to the right side, it becomes plus 81. That is 11x is equal to 81 minus 4, it is 77. Therefore, x equal to 77 by 11. 77 by 11 is 7. So you have got the value of x. You have got the value of y also. Therefore, the fraction is x by y is equal to x is 7 and y is 9. So the required fraction is 7 by 9.